Hello, good morning. This is Shak. We are looking at Lanka Indian Oil Company. Why I'm taking this count today is to map the direction for the upcoming week, which is starting from tomorrow, and today being a poor, so the market is closed, and this is the mapping what we are going to do for the next few days ahead of the dividends effect to take place on probably on 17th or 16th. I'm not sure with the exact date. This is the chart for the 5-year history for LIOC. We're seeing a very nice upward momentum and a pattern, and this is the excuse me, that's my alarm on my phone. So let's go back again to the chart here. Yes, we have a high of around 45, and we have a support of around 37, or could say even, yeah, go by 37 or 36 as a support level. So let me draw these lines for us to be in line so that we know exactly where we are. Okay, so you have a support around this, okay, and you have equally a resistance level. Okay, now this is very interesting. So this is how you're gonna see here. We saw a brief period of a ranging here. Okay, not much of a movement, and then it starts the breakout and then comes back on a correction and then starts moving gradually up. Excellent. Now I'm gonna reduce this to, let's see, 3-year history. Now we are seeing a very good pattern in the making. Will this go to a range? Well, I'm not sure though. Okay, so anything is possible in the market. So as technicians or technical chartists or analysts, okay, what is important is to go with the figures that you have instead of doing a prediction on it. But yes, predictions, technically it's possible based on previous charts, patterns, and these are approximates. Okay, so estimates that we're making. So 3-year history of LIOC gives us another opportunity. So we are seeing here, this is where the support is around 37 and comes back again. So that's why we determine this as a support. Look, it goes up and comes back again and starts moving. So this is our support, 37. Okay, this is very good. Why I'm saying it, we had a huge movement, a price appreciation from the 16s towards 40, and it fell from such a high position, it fell only to 37. So it's basically finding a very good support. It's not only once, twice it did start moving. So we have a very good support, and this could be even a horizontal box what we are seeing here, and we have an opportunity here either to go 2 directions. Okay, now let us zoom in to the 2 months. Excellent. So let me do a bit of tidying up. Excellent. So now we have ranging. Now you remember what we had was the Lanka lubricants. Some time back we had similar ranging period for quite a long while. Okay, will this end up something like that, and then we should start seeing LLUB move to around 375 or something there after a very long ranging period. So anything is possible. Now remember I was telling about a what do you call top head and shoulder that was supposed to make. Now that pattern got invalidated after it broke here, okay, and also here. So we are not entertaining anymore any bearish thoughts on it. Now we are going by a harmonic price pattern here, which will complete, has already completed. Now we are basically looking for a down or a correction or a pullback here. Okay, now let me zoom in for a 18-month period. Okay, this is what we're seeing. Now this is, it has two moves to make from here. We have only 5 days for the XT date, something here, okay, or it should move. I cannot take, let me go for the weekly to see how I can, no, I'm not able to. Okay, let us see here, let's take a few, let me take, yes, now this will give me, now this is a 10-year history on the weekly. Okay, now 47 and 55, these are our targets. Our long-term targets are this. Okay guys, so as you know, our targets, let me see our targets here. Okay, just now this is the weekly chart. Look at the bullish from 40 to 40, almost 45. Okay, now look at this, which is something similar, these bullish candles on the weekly. So it has to come for a pullback. Now I'm not quite sure where this will be heading. Now we know one way should be towards this point. Correct? So we are measuring it here, 44 or 45 towards 37. So we are looking for a 7 rupee appreciation, should bring us closer to here, around 50 plus. Now these 5 days, will it make another run towards 55? Okay, if it runs towards 55, assuming this is the more bullish sentiment that you are entertaining, okay, so let's assume for 1 minute, okay, it will start testing the all-time highs around, you know, say 55. So if it tests there before the XT date, possibly if I draw the if I lay the Fibonacci, let's look at where does it come. Yes, it would be above 46 and it would be in the range of a 48. Now we are looking for a correction to complete. Now after the price appreciation here, LIOC should come down either to 38.2 or a 50% correction, or here. So these between 48 to 44 would be the buying range again after the appreciation towards 55 or most probably. Okay, so this is one way. Okay, I hope you guys got it, the idea. So let me type it for all of you guys here if it's possible. Yes, so it would be after hitting all-time high at 55 or somewhere, okay, we should see a pullback or you can say a correction. The levels would be the 38.2, 50% correction, or a 61.8 correction on fib. Okay, get the idea. Now the other one would be, let me, yes, okay, so this is what we are saying, one. The next would be, let's say for some reason or the other, this the counter gets stuck here, okay, and we are looking for another correction. Now, for your information, this particular chart, now I'm gonna remove this one here because it's much easier for us to go for like this. Okay, now we start measuring this one here. Let me take it, yeah, this looks nicer. Now I'm gonna again from a swing low to the swing high here. Now I have a target which is already broke 78.6, and we have almost at 88.6 on the Fibonacci. Okay, now another opportunity in the making, if it gets stuck and it does not pass 45, I am looking the price to fall back towards 40 or 39, which will complete, this is one leg here, okay, and this is another move, the second leg, and we will be completing a third leg around here, could be 39 or 40. I always love to see the pullback comes to 38.50 and does not break here, so it comes for an extreme pullback around 38 and then go up to the 113 extension. So that will be excellent. So in any ways, I am very bullish on this LIOC. So now you got the two ideas what we have here. Okay, so you know to prepare yourself for any eventuality basically. Okay, now we are looking the weekly chart on the 2-year history here. Look at this. Look at the MACD is giving a buy. It just gave us a buy because of the price appreciation from 42 here. Excellent. So this is very good. Now look at what happened here after this bullish candle, and we are above moving average, so we have to be bullish. There is no way of thinking against the market. Okay, so we have here the signal. Look at this, and it gave us very good opportunity. Had you entered around 29 on the MACD on the weekly chart, okay, this is on the weekly, this is not the daily chart, this is the weekly chart. Look at this. Wow, you would have made around from 30 bucks to 45, almost 50%. Okay, 15 bucks appreciation, so you'd have made 50% gain, and you would have just offloaded all your LIOC and be ready for the next. As you know, your support level is here, so I'm sure people would have bought or loaded with LIOC around 40, and they are looking for another go at it. Okay, look at this here. It's brief. So if you are planning to work on MACD as a trading strategy, okay, always have your moving average and the MACD. Okay, if it is more, and this is for people who still like to work on MACDs and do their trading on this one, go with a weekly chart. Okay, and that will give you very low signals, buy signals, but you can always filter them with a moving average. If the price is on the what do you call, it's on the above the moving average and your MACD is giving you a sell signal, just ignore it, because we are bullish because the moving average is above, the counter is above the moving average. If you have a buy signal here given by the MACD and your price is above moving average, then go with that signal. And had you entered here around 27, look at this 27, and you are still ignoring the sell signal because the moving average, the counter is above moving average, and here also it gave, and you will buy here as well. So around 29 it gave, look at this, and then it broke out. Excellent trading you would have got an opportunity, and still you are ignoring this. Okay, and I wouldn't enter here because the gap between the moving average and the price, the current price, it's too high, so some people would go for it. But even here, so look at this opportunity here, it gave a buy, and opportunity here, it gave a buy. Is it deja vu here? It was something similar, and it was something almost similar here, giving the buy signal. So buy signals are here. Wow, so we are very bullish on this one, and it should hit 55 in no time, I'm very sure. Of course, because of the XD date effect, it could come to most probably the dividend is around only 150, so I do not expect it to come to this, but I would definitely consider, if LIOC comes down to 40, to buy more and to increase my holding position. So that's about it, LIOC. I think I have extensively covered LIOC for this next week, so it's just a matter of time, you know, so we just wait and watch and how this share is going to grow our portfolio. Thank you very much. This is Shark signing off. Have a great week.